that we've made.
Wow,
So much. And this isn't even all of it, is it?
No.
Wow, you have done such an amazing job baking all of these things. Should we do a high five? All right, now what I really want to know is what was your absolute favourite thing to make of all these?
All of them?
All of them? Do you not have a
Yeah.
favourite?
No, I like all of them.
Oh, well, that's brilliant. And did you have fun doing it?
Yeah, I like the pizzas best.
You like the pizzas best, yeah. Good choice, good choice. And
I like these and the pizza and that 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 and that. Love all of it.
you love all of it. We want to say a big thank you for watching our course. Say thank you for watching our course.
Thank you for watching our course.
We've had such a lovely time baking and we really hope that you have as well. Nora, what did you learn that we've done? Can you think of anything that you've learnt?
Pastry likes to be cold, not hot.
Very good. Awesome. Well, we've learnt a lot, haven't we? You could eat that pizza. The owls, we can make flapjacks into owls.
Yeah, but we can't let the blueberry fall off the ice.
No, we mustn't let the blueberries fall off the eyes.
No, that'd be terrible. It wouldn't have an eye.
We learned that you like cream cheese,
Yeah.
which we didn't realise before, did we? We've learned so much and we've baked so much. So thank you, Bagsy, that pizza. All right, you have the pizza, I'll have the rest, okay? Say thank you very much for watching.
Thank you very much.
Hang on. Say it again.
For what? Thank you
Say it, do that
very
again and wait.
much.